Okay, here I am in Schoology. I logged in from the district website using my Google account, and here's my course. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my course tile for STEAM. When I get there, I can see there's the classroom recordings. Please stick to only the day you're on. Don't work ahead because you won't have the folders available. I did post them all just because it was easier. But please don't work ahead because things do change each cycle. So the videos might not be current until that actual day. So you just want to stick to the days of the videos that we have covered. So right now we're on day 1. Week 1 is the folder we're in. As you can see, it's days 1 through 4 of class. That would be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Day 1, Introduction to STEAM class, is what this folder is about. You can see there's several things in this. So there's a text survey to take. When you click on the text survey, this is an actual quiz saying, did I take it, true or false? And you just have one answer to take. There is a link here to get to the survey. So before you answer this question, please click on the link and take the survey. If you right click on it, you can say open link in a new tab so that it opens up the survey in a separate window. And you can go ahead and fill in the survey. And then once you've completed that, you can click true or false that I took the survey. If you answer true and I don't get a survey from you because it collects your names and your emails, you won't get the 10 points. So you do have to submit both. Okay, so that's one item. To navigate back to the week 1 folder, all I have to use is the blue navigations. I either can go to the day 1 folder, or if I want to go all the way back to the week 1 or back to my course, these navigations help you get there. So day 1. The next thing in my list of things to do is this how-to lesson folder. So this folder is an in order items. So the instructions on how to use it. You need to watch each tutorial, and then when you finish the tutorials, you need to take the quiz. So navigating back to the how-to folder using the blue link. I'm going to watch video 1 on logging into Schoology. I'll then watch video 2, and they're real short. They're like 2 minutes a piece. Schoology overview, notifications, all these. There are 8 videos that are important to watch. They're important little how-to tutorials giving you a little insight into what you'll need to do during STEAM class. Once you have finished those, you have the tutorials completion quiz to take. You'll take that quiz and submit it. That is due by October 15th. So notice, since there are a bunch of videos, I didn't want to scare you right away. The quiz and finishing those is not due until October 15th, but it is something super simple that you can finish, just today even, and get it off your plate. So back to the day 1 folder. So we looked at the text survey, we looked at the how-to lesson that needs to be completed, and then we have the attendance check. That must be done each and every day. As you can see, it will be due by 11:59 of the current day. If you submit it and you get the answer wrong, you do lose the point that it's worth each day, but you do not lose the attendance credit. So there's 2 different things at work here. If you submit something, whether it's the right answer or wrong answer, you get credit for coming to class. If you submit the wrong answer, though, or spell something wrong, you do get a 0 on the quiz. Please don't email me saying I accidentally clicked submit too early, or I know I didn't spell it right, or I put the wrong answer. Can you change it? I will not fix attendance quizzes. There's just too many of them and too many students each day to have to go in and look at who did what. So you just have to be careful. When you submit it, you can't go back into it. So once you enter it, please make sure you're ready to write the answer down. My best suggestion is in class, when I give you the answer to the attendance quiz, to have like a Post-it note or your agenda or somewhere that you're writing them every day so that you know they're spelled right, and that you have them written down so that once you click on this, you're ready to take the quiz. Or have another tab open of the recorded lesson and have it open to the quiz item after class, Or another really good suggestion, if you have a cellular device or like a tablet, take a picture of it, snap a screenshot of it, and you can have it right there on your phone while you take the quiz. That's up to you. But once you do go into it, you have to answer, or if you click out of it, it will submit it for you. So just keep that in mind. Okay. The attendance answer every day will be where Miss Watts's Bitmoji has traveled to. So Miss Watts's Bitmoji likes to travel around the town of Shippensburg, visiting different places. And for instance, today on day 1, she is at the Giant. So the word that goes in the blank today on the quiz is Giant, Giant. That will be all you need. It is not case sensitive. So if it's capital or lowercase, it works. It just has to be spelled right. So where's Miss Watts? She's at the Giant getting some groceries today. That is what I have for you today. Remember, in Schoology, an awesome thing about it is that it has a calendar option for you up here. You can always click on the calendar and see when due dates are. So you can see today, and you can see, I'm sorry, that's last grading period. You can see what's due today, which is attendance. Yours won't show all this because you weren't in my class last grading period. But yours will show the 13th, which is today. You have attendance all day long. Each of my classes has attendance, and then the tech is due for every class today, and you'll see the tutorials quiz on Thursday. Remember, tomorrow is asynchronous, so we still have class, but what you'll do is you'll come to your tile in Schoology, and you'll look for the week 1 folder, and there will be a day 2 folder in here for you to complete with instructions and a video. So you'll have a day 2 video, you'll have a day 2 lesson, you'll have all of that stuff for you to work on tomorrow. So make sure you do come. You'll have an attendance item. Remember, if you don't do that attendance item each day, even on the asynchronous days, you are marked absent. So keep that in mind and come tomorrow to Schoology to look for your material. And today, remember what you have to work on. Another way to see that calendar is on your right-hand side under upcoming. You have the tech survey due today, Tuesday the 13th by 11:59. You have your attendance check due by 11:59. And by Thursday, you have those tutorials to complete and take the quiz. Okay? Have a wonderful first day of Cycle 2.